my hair.
Anyways.
Today we are actually gonna get ready for a festival. You heard that right. I'm gonna get ready for a festival. Am I going to one? No. But we're gonna get ready for it. I feel like I'm missing something in my life right now, and it's raving. Let's get into the makeup. I wanna do something ravey and with glitter. I'm gonna regret it, but I'm gonna do it. I kind of want to do something like this. Instead of that diamond, I'm probably like glitter tears. That's my inspiration for the day. Sugar-free Red Bull. I have some big news to announce. The brand Rolita Couture actually opened up their ambassador program a couple weeks ago. I immediately signed up, and then a couple days ago I woke up, I went on Instagram, and I saw they followed me. I was so excited, so I went straight to my email, and there was my welcome letter that I made it into the program, and I was so happy. That made my day. So now I officially have a code for them. It is Jilly15. You can use it on your orders and you'll get 15% off. Save your money. Okay, let's start on my eyebrows. Do you guys even want to see this? Oh my god. I just hit my knee so bad. Okay, I feel better now. So Rolita Couture, they are this awesome rave brand. I love what they stand for. They're just such a diverse brand. They really love to promote that everyone is beautiful in their own way. All right, let's do this freaking eyebrow. Okay, I'll be honest, I can't talk and do my eyebrows, so I'll be right back. Okay, my eyebrows are on. That was rough because I ran out of eyebrow pencil. I just made it work, but they're wacky. As I was saying, they just really emphasize the fact that sexy has no size. I hate that beauty standards for being sexy are just not realistic at all. Because it's an issue, and I'm so happy that more brands are speaking out about it. I'm gonna start out using my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette because it's like all purples, love it. So I literally cannot stop listening to the Subsidia mix at the gym because it's so awesome. And oh my god, the song The Fifth Purge, the one, oh my god,
it's so good.
It has this like, wait. You know that like, I love that noise. Do you guys ever have a song where it's like one little noise in the song and you're like, oh, did you hear that? That's mine. The little, it just makes me want to drop to the floor. Okay, I already messed up. Why am I putting brown on my eye? I'm literally doing purple. I don't want to wipe it off. Let's just put pink on top of it and see. Oh, okay. That kind of worked. Wow, do you see how pigmented that is? We made it work, we made it work, we made it work. I really miss festivals. Spring Awakening just came out with theirs. I want to go so bad, but it's hard times for everyone and it's unpredictable times. So it's just kind of hard to commit to something right now. As much as I want to, I can't. How's this look? What the frick is this? This is like a soft glam. Whatever. Rave looks are very dramatic anyways, so it's okay if it's like very intense, you know? Because I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying right in my room and just boop. Sharp edges.
Nice tip for you.
I literally like punch my face with this thing. Like, what are you supposed to do, this? I just feel like that doesn't do anything and it takes forever. Honestly, I don't even know if you guys care to watch this because the face is kind of boring. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so I finished my face and I also finished my eyes, but not completely because I saved the best part for you guys. Glitter. I haven't put glitter on my eyes in a very long time. I think I'm gonna regret this. So I kind of want to just make glitter tears. Like I messed up already. Does that look good? Be honest. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Done. Do we like it? Okay, and then I'm gonna wear these little lashes. I hate this part. I never know when they're dry. If I touch my eye and they're not dry, I get pissed. Oh yeah, they were dry. Okay, so for the top I'm wearing, this is from Rolita Couture, of course. Shirt right here, it's called Got My Heart in pink. It's mesh, and then you tie it at the sleeves. The next piece from Rolita Couture that I'm gonna be wearing is gonna be this Inferno cover up. It's like this. I got it so long ago. I was gonna wear it to Forest. And don't forget to use Jilly15 on their website to get 15% off. use my code, save your money. And then this other piece that I'm wearing for clothing is gonna be this little pom-pom skirt, you know, I got from my Miss Pig. I'm gonna put her at right here. I love her, she's so cute. I literally saw it and I'm like, that is so freaking cute. First of all, it's purple. It has little pom-poms on the side, love it. And I figured like these mesh pieces will go so cute together. For accessories, of course, you guys already know from my girl Lauren. You guys know from my past videos that I love her jewelry. And then this shoe chain that I'm gonna wear on my shoes. Such cute jewelry. And then I'm debating between these two critter clips. These are so cute, but like the black in these kind of go with it. I'm gonna put them both on and see. And I do have these little cute heart glasses. They came in today. They're gonna be for my Halloween costume, but I'm gonna wear them today. And you know, we're in a pandemic. When we go back to raves, we're gonna have to start wearing masks. So I did get this, so cute. And I'm also gonna wear it with these boots. I actually won these in a giveaway. They're from Festy Bestie. They're like these iridescent color. Oh. The last thing for me to do getting ready wise is my hair, because what the frick is this? I'm just gonna straighten my hair and then like fix these bangs. The bangs are done. And I kind of did a really bad job straightening my hair because I'm lazy and I didn't want to do it. Now we're gonna put on this fabulous outfit that I put down. Oh my god, my shirt's on backwards. You're probably wondering, Jillian, how'd your shirt get on backwards? I went to go change into my outfit and then I realized I didn't even do my hair. So now I'm gonna actually go put on the outfit because I finished my hair. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Look at this. This is
talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done before, unafraid to reference or not reference, put it in a blender, shit on it, vomit on it, eat it, give birth to it.
Don't forget guys, I am now an ambassador for Rolita Couture. I'm so excited for this. Remember, I do have that discount code. It's Jilly15. You know, go ahead and support the brand. Times are hard right now and I know we're not completely raving, but if you're going to those drive-in raves, get these poppin' outfits. Oh my god, I almost forgot. So today, my Couchlands merch came in and I wanted to open it with you guys. I actually got 2 shirts, but one's for my boyfriend. And then my boyfriend actually bought me this other shirt. Of course I got purple. What else? I love it. But that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys know the drill. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.